Hi, on this video I will show you how to add an image to a text. It's very simple, easy and quick. Have a look here first. We will go to the website Pixlr. We create a new image. Click here, choose transparent, click OK. It will open this. Go to the text here to add new text. I will say hello. Okay, this is a word. I will work on it. Let me bring it like this. Then we go here on the layer and we click here. Then we will bring the image we will use as a color image like this. Double click, bring it here, put it on top of the text like this. Then click on hello and come on edit, select, then go up and click here. Bah! This is a text you want. It's in color. Let me take it up a little bit like this. So now I will bring an image to use it as a background. If I go here and let me choose this image here. Bring this one up to here like this. Put it like this. And now let me make it a little bit bigger to fit with the text. Now take this one and click yes, take this one and put it down, or the text put it up. Now the text it's visible on the photo. Let's crop this one here like this, like that, to have only the image we need like this. Enter. Here it is. This is the image, and this is how you need to close all of this because we don't need it anymore. This is how you put color or an image on a text, and then you use a text with another image. If you have any question, just ask, and please, before you go, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on like. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice time. Goodbye.